Is BleachBit not cleaning files on your Windows computer? If the cleanup finishes without removing anything, gets stuck, or reports errors, there are several things you can check. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix BleachBit not cleaning files step by step. Let's get started. First, close any applications whose files you're trying to clean. If a web browser or another program is still running, BleachBit may not be able to delete its temporary files because they're currently in use. Next, right-click the BleachBit shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. If the User Account Control prompt appears, click Yes. Administrator privileges give BleachBit permission to clean additional system locations. Now check the cleaning options you've selected. Make sure the categories you want to clean are actually checked. Click Preview first to verify that BleachBit detects files that can be removed before running the cleanup. If BleachBit still isn't cleaning files, verify that your drive is healthy and that Windows isn't preventing access to certain folders. Some protected system locations, or files currently being used by Windows, cannot be removed while the operating system is running. Finally, if the problem continues, update BleachBit to the latest version or reinstall it completely. A fresh installation can replace damaged program files and resolve issues caused by an outdated release. And that's how to fix BleachBit not cleaning files. Closing running programs, using administrator privileges, reviewing your cleanup selections, and reinstalling the application will solve most cleaning problems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.